Okay guys, we got a 2019 Lexus IS250. I'm going to try to explain all of these buttons just so you kind of know what you're getting into if you're buying a new car or if you just got this car. So first we're going to start out by turning it on. This turns it on to accessory mode. This is ignition mode. Now all you have to do is press the brake down and press it again to turn the vehicle on. And that turns right on. Okay, coming over here, we have your mirror controls. If you want to change the left mirror, you have to press that, and the right one as well. If you press that, the green light will turn on as well. And then you can just use this to move them around. This controls your child safety switch for the windows. So if you press this, only you will be able to control the windows and no one else can. Unlock, lock for the doors, and these are obviously your window switches. This controls your seats, your memory seats. So if you want to move your seat around, and then you press set and that and the button. So right now this setting is 3. So if I move it a little bit and then I press 3, it'll move it back to where I just set it. Okay, down here we have a few. This controls the odometer. So if we press this, over there in the corner, it cycles through the trip settings and then the odometer and your service interval. And this right here controls the brightness of your lights. So we can turn them up or down. This, if you press it and it turns amber, that means your windshield wipers are going to be heated. So that can be quite useful in the snow. This turns your lights to auto. This is your blind spot monitor. You can turn it on or off. And this is your parking brake. Okay, coming over to the steering wheel, we have the paddle shifters right here. This right here controls your display right here, so you can scroll up and down, and then this middle button is the enter button. This as well controls this setting, so you can go over there and then you actually use this. So we can scroll through here and do whatever we need to. If you need to reset your miles per gallon, you can do it that way. So this just goes through the menus. This is your back button right here. This is your lane assist, and then this is your I'm not sure what it's called, but when you're on cruise control, if you press this, this changes the distance that you're behind someone. So you can be closer to someone, or you can change it so you're further back from them as like the default position of where you're going to be in a cruise control for your adaptive cruise control. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, over here, this all controls the radio and your voice controls. So this is volume up, down, mode, and then this scrolls through the radio. We're gonna go to AM, and if you press down, it's gonna go down, up, all that stuff. And we'll turn the audio down. So this right here, this picks up the phone, this hangs up the phone, and then this is your voice command system right here. So now we have the climate control. So this is your auto. Press that and it goes to auto. You can turn it off with that. This controls your fan settings. This controls the setting to where the air is blowing out. Right here, it's in Celsius for some reason, but this controls the heat. Your front defroster. This is your back defroster and your window side view mirror defroster. So if you press that, both of them will turn on. This is your recirculation, and that is the other recirculation one. Your AC, and then dual if you want both of them to sync together. And this right here is your hazard light. So this as well controls the radio, eject the disc, If you press this, it goes to radio. If you press this, your media, so it can be your auxiliary or your USB or your Bluetooth audio. This changes what track you're on or channel, your station, and this pauses or plays whatever you're listening to. And this controls your tuner, and then this as well is your volume. Press it to turn the radio off, press it to turn on. This is heated steering wheel if you want to turn your steering wheel on so it's warm. And then this is the same, heated seats, and then recirculation for your seats. So this is heated seats right here. Every time you press it, it goes up or down in strength. And then this is your recirculation for your seats, and that'll blow air throughout your seats. Some people don't know this, but if you press down right here, this gets to this area, your micro SD, all that stuff as well. We're just gonna put that back in there. Usually don't wanna mess with that. So right here is a little button a lot of people don't know about. It's your trunk opener button. So if it's out, it's canceled. If it's in, it's not. Okay, we have the overhead console. This controls the sunroof. This open and closes the sunroof, and this pops it up. This is for that light. That one is for this light. Press this, both your lights turn on, and press this if you want your lights to turn on when you open the door. And then this right here is your home link for your garage door opener. And then this turns on or off the dimming settings on your rear view mirror. Okay, the last thing we have are these down here. If you press this, it's gonna go straight to map. This goes up and down, so this is just another way to control your information screen. And then back button, menu button, and then this is how you can control it. Just like most of the Lexuses, they have this on there, and then if you press down, it's enter. This right here, you can change the drive type to eco, normal, customized, or sport. This is your traction control. You can turn it off, and then if you're driving in snow or slippery conditions, you can push the snow button, and that puts the snow mode on right there. Okay, down here, you can change your steering wheel angle and position with that. This right here pops up the trunk. This pops up the hood. And then you have your e-brake down there. I think that's all. Hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, let me know. And thanks for watching.